Hello guys, welcome to How to Login. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to sign up on Moj App. So let's begin. Moj is an Indian video sharing social networking service owned by Bangalore-based Mahala Tech Private Limited. It features special effects, emoticons, stickers and short videos that have a duration of 15 seconds to 1 minute under genres like dance, travel, singing, acting, comedy, and education. In order to sign up on Moj App, follow these steps. First of all, open Moj App. Now select your preferred language and click on Confirm button below. Click on Profile button which is at rightmost bottom corner of the app. Click Continue with Google. Choose an account. Allow every permission. Insert your age and click on Confirm. Now click on Edit Profile. Choose your gender. Enter your birth date and click on Confirm. Fill up your bio. And click on Save button which is at upper rightmost corner of the app. Now you are done. How to log in on Moj App. First of all, open Moj App. Now select your language and click on Confirm. Click on Continue with Google. Choose an account. Now you are logged into your Moj account. How to go live on Moj App. If you are new to this app and want to go live, then you cannot go live. What I mean is you must have more than 1,000 followers on Moj account to go live. And if you have got 1,000 followers, then follow these steps to go live. Click on Moj App. If you have more than 1,000 followers, then you will have a live button next to record button. How to download videos from Moj App. To download a video from Moj App, you first need to open the Moj App. Click the Moj App. After clicking on the sharing icon, you will see these options. Click on Download. Click on Allow. Now the video has been downloaded and saved to your phone gallery. Today you will learn edit video in Moj App. In order to edit video on Moj App, you simply need to click on Moj App. Now this screen appears. Here are all the tools needed for you to edit. You can add stickers, music and filters to your video. How to set your Moj account private. So, first of all click on the Moj App. Now click on your profile. Click on 3 dots at the upper rightmost corner. It will take you to the profile settings. Now click on Privacy. Here as you can see there is no option for setting your account on private. So, the thing is you cannot set your account on private at the moment. The app doesn't allow you to set your account on private. How to change language in Moj App. To change language on Moj App, simply click on the app. Click on the profile icon which is at bottom rightmost corner of the app. Now click on 3 dots which is at top rightmost side of the app. It will take you to the profile settings. Now click on Change Your Language button. Select the language you like and click on Confirm. How to create videos on Moj App. In order to create videos on Moj App, you first need to create sign up on Moj App. To do so, click on Moj App. Select your language and click on Confirm. Now click on Profile icon. Click on Continue with Google. Choose an account. Allow every permission. Now your account is created. Open the app. Click on plus button and start making videos. How to add music in Moj App. Follow these steps to add music in Moj App. First of all, click on Moj App. Then click on plus button. Now click on Gallery. Select a video. Click on sound icon. Library of music will pop up. Search your song. And click on Start Video. Select the portion of music you want to add on the video and click on Trim and Use. Now click on Next. It will then add music to your video. How to add photos in Moj App. Now let's get into the topic. The thing is you cannot upload photo on the Moj App. You have to convert that photo into video in order to upload it on the Moj App. In order to do so, follow these steps. First of all, go to Google Play Store and search for Music Video Maker. Click on this app to download. After it is downloaded, it will ask you to open the app. Click on Open button. Click on Slideshow. Select any pictures and click on Next. Click on TikTok which is at bottom rightmost corner of the app. Now click on Next. Click on Transition and click on Shuffle. Now add music and click on Done. Select the quality of video you want to get. Now it will convert your photo into video. After which you have to close the app. Click on Moj App. Select your video. Click on Next. Now it will be uploaded to your Moj App. How to chat in Moj App. To chat on Moj App, you simply need to click on Moj App. Now click on the profile of the person you want to chat with. Now click on the Instagram icon. Their official Instagram account will open. Now click on Message button. You can now chat with them. How to block someone on Moj App. In order to block someone on Moj App, you first need to open the app and click on profile icon of a person whose account you want to block. Now click on 3 dots at the top right corner. Click on block. It will again ask your permission to block that person. Click on block. Now as you can see, this person is blocked. How to delete Moj App account. First of all, click on Moj App. Now click your profile button. Click on 3 dots at top right corner of the app. By doing so, you will get into profile settings. And scroll a bit and click on more. Click on delete my data. Now enter your email address, phone number and reason and click on submit button. In this way your Moj account will be deleted. I hope you guys liked this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.